Hello students. Uh, in last geography video we have seen the relief features, physical features of India, and I told you that it has much relevance while we are studying the climate of India, right? So what does actually a climate means? Climate means a weather prevailing for over a very long period of time. That is called the climate. And when we are studying the climate of India, it it is known to have tropical monsoon climate. Means it has two words into it, tropical and monsoon. Tropic of Cancer passes through India, right? And Indian subcontinent has equator to its south. Means equator lies to the south of South Asia, right? So that's why it experiences both the temperate climate also and the tropical climate also. Now characteristic of temperate climate, temperate zone is not so hot and not so cool. So here Tropic of Cancer actually divides India into two equal halves, the northern half and the southern half. Now southern half is actually lies nearer to the equator, and the northern actually lies in the temperate zone, right? So it influences the climate of India. Now there are four factors that affect the climate of India. It's latitude, second one is height above sea level, third one is the northern Himalayas, northern mountains, and the fourth one is distance from the sea. These all factors actually affect climate of India. Now how does a latitude affects? As Tropic of Cancer passes through India, most of the northern states, northern part of India experiences the temperate type of climate, but because of the availability of Himalayas over there, it is cooler, much cold in winters and much hot during the summers. And the southern part at it lies nearer to the equator. It has normal climate like hot in summers and cool in winters. So latitude actually plays very important part. The next one is height above the sea level. Now we all experience that as we go upper or above from the sea level, the climate decreases. For every 166 meters, there is decrease of 1 degree Celsius of the temperature, right? So as we go higher above the sea level, higher altitudes, we experience the cooler temperatures. That's why the northern part of India, we have many of the hill stations situated there like Simla, Nainital, Darjeeling. These places are cool all over the year round, like here Mahabaleshwar or Lonavala. These are situated on the higher level from the sea. That's why these places are cooler, whereas places nearer those are lower to the sea level, they experience the high temperatures. The next one is the northern mountains. Right? Himalayas are situated in the northern part of India. Now, it is very beneficial that I already discussed in earlier video also, that it prevents the chilly winds or the very colder winds that blow from Central Asia. And that's why these winds are intercepted by these mountainous ranges and the wind doesn't reach central India. Otherwise it would be much chiller. In absence of the central India would be much chiller or much colder in absence of Himalayas. The second importance of this northern mountain is it also obstructs the southwest monsoon winds that blow over the Indian subcontinent, and it gives rainfall to the whole Indian subcontinent, and it obstructs these rain bearing clouds, which is very beneficial for Indian agriculture. The next one is the fourth one, distance from the sea. Now The places which are situated near the sea, that is the coastal region, they all year round, for the whole year, they experience the equable climate. It means very moderate, not so hot, not so cool climate, right? Equable in the sense, due to the land breeze and the sea breeze, they just make the temperature moderate. So the coastal areas, Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats, they experience the moderate climate as compared to Central India and Northern India. Northern India experiences the continental type of climate because it is away from the sea. So these are the factors which affect the climate of India. Which were the four that we discussed today? Latitude, height above the sea level, northern Himalayas, and the fourth one was distance from the sea.